Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver? First you have to come this website www.gigabyte.com and then it's a search button and then enter model number B550M space DS3H. Click on the product. Slow down. This is your motherboard. Click on the support. Then select your operating system, which is using Windows 10 and 11. Select operating system Windows 10 11, both same installations. Installation method same. Okay, so first you can see this is audio driver, Realtek audio driver, and this is size. You just click to download. After download you can start downloading. Yeah, it is completed. Just single click to open and double click to launch, then click on yes. Now this is extracting. So now you can see this is installing the audio driver. So it is closed, means this is installed. Chipset, AMD chipset driver, click to download. You can size this 63 and this, and download this one AMD chipset driver and try to latest. Okay, it is completed. After that open it and just double click to launch, then click on yes. Now this is extracting to. Okay, and then okay. And this is closed automatically, means this is installed. LAN driver, Realtek LAN driver, and click to download, and it is complete. After that open it, then yes, this is extract and then install. Now this is installing. So it is completed, then close it.